everyone, and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Yes, I did say g'day because we are unboxing an Australian legend, and of course I'm an Australian, so I'm really excited to get into this coin today. Now, as you can see on the outer packaging, it's very colourful and bright and really gives you a bit of a hint of what's inside here. We have the protective little blanket here, also acts as a cleaning cloth, and here is the product itself. First, we're going to do the certificate of authenticity, which is always nice to look at. This is the 18th issue of the Deadly and Dangerous series. We do have a few dangerous animals in Australia, and this is number 18, so isn't that great? There's enough themes to go around for this series. Today we are doing the Tiger Shark. This is a 1 ounce silver proof color coin, and straight away you can see this color just pop off this piece. It's so bright, it's so engaging, the detail's fantastic, and the whole way this coin has been brought together in the way that you've got the shark in the foreground, in the inside of the shark's mouth you have that other shark just behind, and then a third shark again in the background. So you've got 3 tiger sharks on this piece. Let's take a better look at this coin. We're going to take it out of the capsule. There we are. And let's just really see the quality of this piece up close. That colouring. Oh, I never used to be such a big fan of colour on coins, I have to be honest. But when the colouring is done well, it's absolutely fantastic. And the mixture of this, the way this coin has been struck and then coloured, is so fantastic. I mean, look at the stripes on that tiger shark. Really, really phenomenal. Now, the interesting thing about the tiger shark is that it is the 4th largest shark, not in Australia, but in the world. These things are very scary, very aggressive, and I've never seen one personally. I think I'm quite happy about that. Now, of course, this coin is struck for the country of Tuvalu, so we have Elizabeth II there. It has a face value of $1, and we're looking at 99.99 pure silver here. So this piece really is a high quality coin, and there are 2,500 pieces of this tiger shark that have been produced, and this is number 18 in the Deadly and Dangerous series. If you're interested, hop onto our website. That's www.emk.com.